Hello, this video is for the SAP assignment. First, you need to download this file to your computer. This file is a compressed file. You need to extract it. So in my computer, I have installed the 7-zip that I can extract here. If your computer doesn't have this same app, you can download this one from this website. It's free, so the website address is www.7-zip.org. Download. You can choose this if only for Windows. You can choose this one for 62-bit or this one for 62-bit. But computer use 64-bit. You can try. Once you install 7-zip, you should be able to see this menu. Then we can extract the file. We can choose this one here. And you will get this file. Then you just double click this file to install it. Finally, when you finish installation, you will get this one. So you're supposed to get this one. This is called the SAP client. So we use this client to get access to the SAP system. Okay, so if you finish installation, you can double click it to log in. So this is the interface. I put the instruction, the assignment on D2L. So you can see the due date is next class, before next class. So first we need to choose the system. The system is GLA. GLA is here. GLA. Make sure this side SID is GLA. So you just double click at the GLA. Then we have this login. So first we need to choose the client. Client is 4550 is the client, and the username of every student has his or her own username. I post username on D2L. Please use your own username. For example, like FS. FS is the same, but every student, they have different number. So that will be your user ID. In this example, I use this one. I use 21. And the password, I use the default password. It's uppercase. And enter. So for first login, the system requires you to provide a new password. I suggest you use this one. Use MIS242 in case you forget. For some of you, if the system doesn't require, or if this password doesn't work, try MIS242. Okay, so here you should type MIS uppercase 242. Type again uppercase MIS242 and enter. We get this message. So click this one or enter is the same. First time when we log in, we can see this interface. So we need to change here, click the menu, and we need to choose SAP menu. Okay, now everything will be looks like the same here. Then you need to follow instructions. Continue. When you finish it, on the last 2 pages, you are asked to capture the screen. Like say you're supposed to submit this you capture your screen as a picture, and also this one. So you are submitted 2 screenshot. So if you don't know how to do a screenshot, search on D2, search online. It's very easy. In case you have a problem to install the client, we have this software installed on 402 on the Classroom. So if you couldn't install this one, you may need to go to the Classroom, or you can check the lab. So if you have questions, just let me know. Okay. Again, the assignment due before next class. See you Tuesday.